How to cook salt and pepper squid. Hello guys, and we are back with the new name Little Big Tummy Kitchen by Jeng and Chai. These are the ingredients for our recipe today. Let us start! Clean the squid and remove the skin on the surface. Wash the squid and pat dry with paper towel. Score the squid with crisscross pattern. This dish is one of our favorite appetizers. Cut the squid into bite size. Rectangle, square, or any shape will do. Marinate the squid with salt and pepper. Mix well. Add 1 egg. Combine well. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of flour. Do you know that squids are a good source of zinc that can boost our immune system? Dredge each piece into flour. It is now ready to fry. Heat up oil in a frying pan. Gently slide the squid into the hot oil. Deep fry on a high heat for 30 seconds. Fry them in batches. Do not overcook to avoid rubbery texture. Scoop and strain with paper towel. Leave a little oil in the frying pan. Then add the garlic. Put in onion, bell, and finger pepper. Cook for 30 seconds. Mix the squid with the garlic, onions, and chilies. Add a pinch of salt and pepper again. Toss and ready to serve. Transfer to a serving plate. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be notified to our new videos. We will upload a new video every week. Taste test time! Serve with a mixture of vinegar, sugar, salt, pepper, garlic, chili, and onion. Serve and enjoy! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!